In today's episode, we continue on in our new series that we're calling Our Latitude Adjustment. This week finds us on the island of Curacao.
So what are we doing in Curacao? Well, we've run away from winter weather by fleeing to the Caribbean. We'll be hiking and paddling and diving as many of the islands as we can. A change in latitude and attitude sounds like just what we need.
In the last episode, we were exploring Puerto Rico and hunting for the best paletas in Old San Juan. After leaving there, we traveled 500 miles south-southwest to Willemstad, Curacao. The Dutch island of Curacao is part of the Lesser Antilles and is only 40 miles north of the Venezuelan coast. It's a constituent country of the Netherlands, and tourists flock here by both air travel and cruise ships. It's obviously a great place to visit, but it's famous for its scuba diving.
And that's how we spent our time here. 4 of us wanted to explore Curacao by snorkeling and diving on its famous reefs. So, we turned to a great local dive operator called the Dive Bus. For today's episode, we'll show you our dive on Pierbaai Reef. This site is very near the dive shop and is reached by an easy shore entry. As you'll see, it's pretty scenic down there. Almost immediately, my buddy Brian and I saw something surprising, and it was coming right at us. But let me put that on hold for now. We'll come back to this in just a minute.
The health of the Caribbean's reefs has been under pressure for decades. Coral disease, storms, and heavy tourism have caused significant damage to the marine ecosystem. But Curacao is fighting back. The island has implemented a coral restoration program that can be seen here on Pierbaai Reef.
Also, this dive operator and local divers continually maintain the reefs by removing the trash and debris that is harmful to marine life. I think these blue tangs would agree that the coral here is looking pretty good and that it's a nice place for them to live. Okay, I'll stop talking now and just show you what we saw down there on our visit to Pierbaai Reef. Okay, let's return to that surprising moment. Our group of divers is about to see something amazing, and it's coming right toward us. Filming that bait ball of fish from inside was a rare and memorable moment for this diver, a moment I won't forget anytime soon. So as these young damselfish wave goodbye, we'll wrap up our visit to their beautiful reef. Thanks for joining us as we explored the undersea world here. If you ever have the chance, come visit Curacao and take a look at its beauty for yourself.
So, what's up next? In the next episode, we'll be right back here on Curacao. We found a fascinating sight on the ocean floor where iron and steel is being transformed by colorful coral, sponges, and sea life.
If you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks again, and we'll join you soon for more videos of the two of us exploring the wonderful world that's around us. We'll see you next time from here in Willemstad, Curacao, when our latitudes and attitudes get some needed adjusting.